Well, I'm still tracking rain on the radar, even a few storms. The good news is, while we have had some gusty winds when these move through, we have not seen any severe storms. There were a couple of hail reports, though, a bit earlier in the evening on the west side near Brownsburg. Heaviest rain right now is over to the east side and approaching Muncie. That's likely going to continue for the next half hour. More storms may develop farther to the south and west. We do have the possibility we could see more storms, including severe storms, during the overnight. There's a big concern that we may see that as we get into the overnight around 12 to maybe 1 o'clock time frame. And I'll show you future track here in a moment. Just wanted to point out Bloomington, more storms developing to the south. Probably going to see another bout of rain there within the next 2 hours or so. Temperatures have dropped in a big way, but this really isn't the front that's moved through just yet. This is just rain cooling. I don't think we'll see the dramatic cool down happen until after the overnight hours and really into tomorrow. 57 is our expected low tonight, and it's probably the high temperature for tomorrow, because once we get into tomorrow, the temperatures are just going to keep on dropping. Here's how it'll look. Overnight, those storms will continue. I think about midnight, we'll see a line of storms roll by. We'll watch this for the potential for severe storms, but the temperatures may have cooled a bit from this earlier round. That may help to stabilize the atmosphere just a bit, but we'll keep our eye on it. That will slice through the area between, let's say, midnight, maybe 4 a.m., pushing through, probably producing some more thunder and lightning overnight, so you may hear that. And then temperatures will drop. Now, watch this. 6 a.m. tomorrow, it's going to be in the 60s. Rain will be ongoing. But once we get through mid-morning, temperatures will continue to drop. We're in the 50s at 9 a.m. with scattered showers. And it's going to be windy. We could have some gusts as high as 30 miles per hour with temperatures in the low 50s and rain showers throughout the day. This is going to be a really ugly day tomorrow, at least through about mid to late afternoon. We may get some clearing from the west by the time just before the sun sets. May make for a beautiful sunset, but the rest of the day, it's going to be blustery, it's going to be rainy, it's going to be much colder than where we were today by as much as 30 to maybe 35 degrees. So this is a big dramatic change from where we were today. We made it up into the 80s today. Tomorrow, it'll feel like the 50s early in the day. After that, it's downhill from there. We do clear out for Monday, though, and it should feel a lot more like fall. So we start the morning maybe closer to 60, but some locations may already be down into the 50s, and it's just a steady decline the entire day. Rain, a pretty safe bet through about mid to late afternoon. And what you don't see on this graphic is it's going to be breezy. I would call it windy, really, the entire day. That's just going to make for a miserable day. And then the fall-like air stays with us. It's going to stay fall-like at least for the foreseeable future. In our forecast, it's 50s and 60s all the way through next weekend. Another chance of rain perhaps on Tuesday. A couple of chances come in Friday and Saturday. Otherwise, though, tomorrow is the day where it's going to be a bit of an ugly day, just cooling down, rain, wind, before we finally clear back out to nice crisp fall days.